Hey mate, picture this. You're scrolling invoices at the end of a long day in your city, and you see one from that small supplier who's always reliable. You could pay it late again and free up cash for your own goals. But what if that small delay is crushing their cash flow? What if loving your neighbor isn't just a nice Bible verse? It's the tough, wallet-hitting choice staring you in the face right now. Jesus didn't make it up. He quoted Leviticus 19 verse 18 straight. Love your neighbor as yourself. A simple story hits home. Living next to an apple orchard, I saw the major harvest picked, but the fallen or late ripened fruit just rotted in piles. God said, leave it for the poor and the stranger. No waste, no second pick. Generosity with margins. We've all been there, rushing, cutting corners, thinking it's just business. But that's where real character shows up. Timothy Keller nails it. Everyone is your neighbor. Sarah Jakes Roberts brings it to life today. Loving our neighbor means caring for others with the same passion and kindness we would extend to ourselves. It's not fluffy. It's showing up with empathy, even when inconvenient. 2025 QuickBooks data backs it. 56% of small businesses were owed an average $17,500 in late payments, triggering cash flow nightmares and forced price hikes. Yet paying early builds 35% stronger supplier relationships and better credit. Dexian Human Kindex 2025 adds, acts of generosity and kindness linked to 85% higher performance and 84% productivity gains. Abraham Lincoln said it centuries ago, character is like a tree and reputation like its shadow, that your daily choices grow the tree. This isn't optional for leaders who want lasting influence. It's the proof your heart's aligned. Practical steps you can do today. And no excuses. 1. Pull up 3 overdue or upcoming invoices right now. Pay them early this week. 2. Spot one overlooked person in your world, maybe a team member grinding quietly, a client who's been patient. Do something extra, a quick bonus, shout out, or help. 3. Build a 10% generosity margin into your budget or schedule. No more scraping by. 4. Review your invoices monthly. Ask, is this fair? Am I honoring them as I'd want to be honored? 5. Celebrate one neighbor win publicly this week. Post it, share it, model it for your circle. Your heart grows when your actions match the command. Small choices compound into big influence. Don't let another invoice sit. Your neighbor's waiting. Comment right now. I'm loving my neighbor by paying early, helping this person. Below this second, press that like button if this just convicted your wallet. And hit subscribe immediately so you don't miss the next heart. Check that levels up your leadership and brand in 2026. Your legacy of real love starts today. Act fast, mate.